Hey guys, today we're gonna have a new job on the 2018 Toyota 4Runner limited edition. So I need to change the brakes in this car. I did the rear brakes about 2 months ago or so, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the front brakes. And here's one I'm gonna do first. I'm going to go ahead and put the jack on the bottom to begin with. I'm going to take this off and take the bolt off and go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do this step by step. I went ahead and bought all of the parts from rockauto.com. By the way, this is not a sponsored, but that's where I get my parts from. I think they are pretty inexpensive, high quality, and also they're brought to your house. So while I work during the week, the parts are delivered to my house. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start working on taking the wheel off, and I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna do it the old way because I can take them out one by one. They're not that tight. Alright, so the size that I'm using is the 13 by 16. That's the size. I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the car a little bit more. Make sure that you have some safety tools, okay? So I got the jack, but I also have this stand right here. So make sure you do that. So, yep, should be loose. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it off. Right, now remove the tire. Remove the tire right here on the front. Okay, we need to bring up the car a little bit taller. All right, so here's something that you need to keep in mind. All right, so I'm taking off the brake pads, and then you don't have to remove this yet. You can go ahead and remove the brake pads. So you're going to remove this. There are some safety pins here too. Safety pins here, safety pins right here. You'll remove that, and the brake pads are going to come off. Before you do that, there are two screws, two large screws right here. So right here, those bolts need to come out, and the size is 19 millimeters. Also, this one right here needs to come off, so you have more play with this right here. Here's what I would do. I would spray it with PB Blaster because that is so stuck in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray with PB Blaster so it starts getting loose. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove this, but first I remove this two pins right here. There's one pin on the top, one pin on the bottom. I'm gonna remove them. It's very easy to remove, okay? I'm gonna put them in a safe place. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and start moving this right here. So let's go ahead and make sure you take a picture of it before you start taking it off, so you know how it was before. Okay. Then you can start pushing the pin off right here and push it off or pull it out. Same thing here. Okay. All right, it's out. It is out. Make sure you save the hardware. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pads and go from there. I'm going to remove the screw, which is with a 12 millimeter. So it was somewhat easy to take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the safe side. All right, I got that. Now this is gonna be the beast right here to take this off. I recommend to spray PB Blaster on those bolts. Okay. And you're going to need a very strong wrench or torque. Let's see if we can remove it. Be very careful with the brake line. So I'm gonna use an extension to give more torque. See if I can put it lower. Right there. Okay, easy does it. Easy does it. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom part too. Go ahead and do this. I'm gonna use the extension right here to give me more torque. Okay. All right. Very tight. Okay, so I finished removing the bottom screw. I have it right here. Okay, I'm working on the one on the top. Just keep in mind, I have working on it right here. The light is not the best, but Let's see if we can remove it. Yep, it's about to come off. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold this, place it on here, so I have something to hold this. Then I'm going to remove the disc, and that's it. It's gonna be super easy. All right, guys, almost done. Brand new disc, caliper installed back. I put the screws on the back. Brand new pads. Okay, brand new pads right here. Now I need to do the reverse. Put this hardware through here, through there, get it all the way to the end, and pretty much it. That's it. Pretty easy job. I did both of them. I mean, I already did the driver's side. This is the passenger side. It took me about, let's say, 30 minutes per side, and I took my time, so pretty much 1 hour. No bad at all. No bad at all.